Model, 67-plate Renault Trafic Vivaro LL29 Sport Nav Energy 1.6 DCI engine knocking needs repair Euro 6 Vat Inclusive. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 117524. MOT, the 23rd of January 2026. Engine, 1598 CCR9M 125 Energy E6. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. The engine will need repairing or replacing, still start and runs but just knocking, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after.